In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update or change sales tax rates in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're adjusting the rates due to a change in local policies or you need to customize them for your business needs, this process is straightforward and won't take much of your time. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the main dashboard of your QuickBooks Online account, where you can see your financial overview at a glance. Now, direct your attention to the left-hand panel. This panel is your primary navigation tool within QuickBooks Online, offering various sections that help manage your business finances. From here, you should locate the tab labeled Taxes. Selecting this option will open up a world of tax-related operations, which are crucial for keeping your business compliant and informed. Once you've clicked on the Taxes tab, you'll be presented with a submenu. Look for the Sales Tax option in this section, which is dedicated specifically to managing sales tax settings and transactions. This area allows you to oversee your sales tax obligations and customize them according to state and local requirements. When you're in the Sales Tax tab, draw your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find the Sales Tax Settings option. Click on it, and this will bring you to a more detailed layout of your sales tax configurations. This setup is convenient for anyone needing to review or modify how your sales tax is structured. Once you've entered the sales tax settings, you'll see a comprehensive list of custom rates that currently apply to your transactions. This list presents each custom sales tax rate you've set up for your business, allowing for easy management and updates whenever necessary. Now, identifying the specific rate you need to change is simple. Browse through your list, and when you've found the rate that requires updating, there will be an option to Edit next to it. Click on Edit, and this action will open a detailed view of that particular sales tax rate, where you'll be able to make the necessary adjustments. With the Edit window open, you can now proceed to update the rate. Modify it according to the recent changes you need, whether it's due to updated tax legislation or adjusted business requirements. Once you've entered the correct information and reviewed it for accuracy, you've reached the final step. Rest assured, your changes will automatically save, so there's no need to perform any additional actions to confirm them. And just like that, your sales tax rate is updated in QuickBooks Online. Remember, keeping your sales tax rates current is critical for maintaining compliance and ensuring accurate financial reporting. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has made managing your sales tax in QuickBooks Online a little bit easier. If you found this helpful, be sure to check out more of our videos for additional QuickBooks tips and tricks.